Today, manufacturing is moving faster than ever before. It's smart technology in a global marketplace with heightened competition and new regulatory, operational, and financial pressures to keep your people and processes safe. Standing still is not an option. To stay competitive, you need to modernize. Facilities that fall behind are destined to lose out to those that have.
This melt shop was built in 1997, so in the last 3 years we've been upgrading to all the I/O, all the processors, all the HMIs have been upgraded. It's not just the hardware, it's also the knowledge and the steel making changes that have been made.
Who is going to produce quicker and cheaper? Who is looking forward and taking the necessary steps to change course? There will be winners and losers in this fight. The winners are embracing smart manufacturing, reducing energy usage with new lighting and controls, connecting your plant and processes to gather data to improve productivity and make informed decisions.
One of the key elements to getting better is recording our processes and going through and figuring out what happened and how do we make it better.
Smart manufacturing is creating a connected on-site managed inventory so you can spend the right money on the right products when you need them. Smart manufacturing is keeping your people safe through smart design and innovative solutions. On the forefront of smart manufacturing, Nucor is one of these companies. As the leading energy user in Nebraska, they're looking at ways to reduce energy costs, connect their plant, and innovate their safety processes. So they are producing more, improving quality and efficiency, and reinvesting in what matters most, their people.
Their job is to make steel. My job is just keeping them up to date on new ways of thinking. We help them be safer, and we help them become more profitable by allowing them to automate certain processes. Taking outdated equipment and modernizing it. Today's, manufacturing is smart. That's the way we need to go to stay competitive on a global level.
Smart manufacturing is happening right now, maybe right down the road. Your local Industrial Solutions Network location has the experts, technically trained, financially savvy, and locally empowered, with a disciplined approach to help define your needs and develop the right solution for you. Choose progress. Choose smart manufacturing. Choose the Industrial Solutions Network.